के लिए तैयार, प्रार्थना शुरू कर। जैसे थे, प्रतिज्ञा के लिए तैयार। इंडिया इज माई कंट्री, ऑल इंडियंस आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर। आई लव माई कंट्री एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट्स रिच एंड वेरिड हेरिटेज। आई शैल स्ट्राइव टू बी वर्दी ऑफ इट, शैल रिस्पेक्ट माई पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. जैसे थे, assembly, where's Trump?
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is time shows the value of life and life shows the value of time. I repeat my thought. Time shows the value of life and life shows the value of time. Thank you. Courtesy Cadet Chirag Bhatt Core Sainik School, Ghoda Khal 6th.
Good morning everyone. Today news headlines are followed. First, some international news. US announced first American departure since Afghan pull-out. Second, Jean-Paul Belmondo, the magic star of French New Wave, died at 88. Now some national news. ISI may be using more aggressive strategy in Jammu and Kashmir. Chandrayaan 2 finished 9th and Arabat. And last some sport news. No place for Malik in Pakistan squad for T20 World Cup. PCI miffed with Shastri Kohli for attending crowded event. Kursi Cadet Amar Bahadur Singh, class 7th, Course Training School, Ghoragal. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to deliver a speech on topic COVID-19 Delta variant. First, a significant increase in new cases reversed what had been a steady decline since January 2021. In the days leading up to our guidelines update, CDC saw a rapid and alarming rise in the COVID-19 case and hospitalization rates around the country. In late June, the 7 days moving average of reported cases was around 12,000. On July 27, the 7 days moving average of cases reached over 60,000. This case rate looked more like the rate of cases we had seen before the vaccine was available. Kursi Cadet Bhavesana, Course Sainik School, Godakal, class 6.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is posterity. P-O-S-T-E-R-I-T-Y. Part of speech, noun, meaning all future generation of people. Its synonym is offspring, successor. Its antonym is ancestor and forebear. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assembly, सावधान, सब members बाएं मुड़, Academy, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Staff members, दाहिने मुड़. Academy, about 10. Assembly, line third. Load on drum beat to be on.